Thank you for purchasing an upgraded thumb safety spring. The spring is located inside the frame, beside the sear cage. This video will guide you through the steps required to replace the spring. Begin by removing the top end. I recommend removing the mainspring to release the tension on the hammer. To do this, remove the grips, the pin holding in the magazine brake itself, and finally the mainspring pin. Removing the mainspring pin will release the plug and the mainspring. With that completed, remove the sear cage. To do this, the left side safety must come out of the frame. The safety is held in place by the end of the sear spring. Lift the end of the sear spring out of the groove in the safety, then the safety can be pulled free. The sear cage can now be lifted out of the frame, providing access to the safety spring. Use care to ensure the spring does not fly away when being removed from the frame. To reinstall the spring, place the frame on a table with the left side down. Position the spring and plunger in place. Ensure the spring is properly seated in the pocket in the back of the frame. The plunger should rest in the groove on the frame, slightly forward of its seated position. Apply downward pressure to the plunger with your finger while sliding it rearward until it drops into place. Before reinserting the sear cage, verify that the right side safety and its keeper remain properly positioned. Reassembly of the firearm follows the same steps in reverse order.